Hey yo, it's Chris O. What I'm doing now is I'm going around the top. I've just arrived sort of half an hour ago, and what I've been doing is just running a knife over my lines. I did the floor yesterday, and I was just checking for glue in my lines, and it's all good. I've just been cleaning because the owners changed their minds, as owners do sometimes. There was a cornice up there, but it was only a small cornice, and this tile would have been sticking out too much. So I suggested take the corner off, let's take the tile right up, and then it's just what's called square set, which is a full-on mod thing to do. I'll show you how to mark your tiles DIY. I've seen different ways on YouTube. I was taught this 35 years ago. It's always been a goodie. You hold it up like that, allow about 4 mil, and you make a mark. Then you bring your tile over and mark it the same, 4 mil up. Now that's your cut edge, right? So when you turn it over, what I'm marking here, DIYs, there, see that mark? When I turn it over, that's how it is there. So then I cut it when I set up my cutter. So I'll mark it, I'll mark a few, which is the way to go anyway. You never mark one, it's too slow. You mark 3 or 4 at once, at the same time, and then you cut 3 or 4. Right, so we're marking it there on 4 mil up, there, 4 mil up, there, and it's number 2. There's a couple of tiles down there that are loose. I haven't done the around the waists yet. I want to go right around my top. Then I'll do the niche. I'm working my way down. I'll do in here, around the top here and up the sides. Then all I've got to do is the floor. So then I've got no chance of stepping on anything. You work your way down and out. Number 3, up with your tile, 4 mil gap, bang, turn it around, whooshka, number 3. And that's how you do it. I'll come back to you, I'll set up my cutter, and I'll come back shortly. We'll see you soon, bye.